Hi, my name is Bruce Wade. Welcome to the Entrepreneur Launch Academy. Are you ready? In this course, we're going to take you from a journey, from preparation to building your rocket, to building the payload, to filling up the fuel, to training you as the astronaut, setting courses for the destination that you desire. And then we're going to light the fuse and blast off into your financial freedom and the future that you deserve. Welcome to the Entrepreneur Launch Academy. Fasten your seatbelts. It's going to be a ride, but it's going to be well worth it. We're here to guide you and lead you along the way. We're looking forward to your future.